How to download and sign into TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to head over to TurboTax download page. Now you want to select the version that you want to purchase. As you can see, there are different versions here. Go ahead and select the one that is suitable to you. Now you simply want to click on that. Now you will have to select your operating system. So go ahead and select either Windows or Mac. Once you select your operating system, it will now start to download. After the downloading has been completed, go to your downloads folder or chosen download location and double-click to launch TurboTax. Have your license code ready, then follow the on-screen prompts to install and activate your software. Once it has been activated, open it. Now, in order to sign into your account, you want to enter either your phone number, email, or user ID. Now click on the sign in option. On the next page, enter your password, then click on continue. Once you do that, you will be successfully signed into your TurboTax account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.